Hello friends, coolbrotherz here. For the first time we are doing an unboxing video in our channel. Yes, we are going to unbox the complete collection of Harry Potter book series. The author of the Harry Potter series is J.K. Rowling. There are 7 books in this collection. So let's go and check the books. Let's start unboxing. So let's see the books. The first book of this series is Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. The next book is Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets. The next is Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban. The next book is Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire. Then comes Harry Potter and the Order of Phoenix. Then comes the Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince. The last book of the series is Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows. You can buy this complete collection from Amazon or your nearest bookstore. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. We will be back with another exciting video soon. Till then, see you. Bye. Come on, Anshu, let's read these books. Okay, let's read this. I will take this.